What?
It is the food that we're going to eat today. It's all free.
Why?
Open your mouth.
And thank you for being my date.
Sa iyong ngiti.
Mga security guard. Hi, it's me Candy and o nga pala, nalimutan ko na my God. It's me Candy and welcome to my channel. Oh my God, nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan ko paano mag-intro. And una sa lahat, belated Happy Valentine's sa inyo dahil for sure, late na ito ma-upload. Pero ngayon guys, ngayon magaganap ang ating Valentine kineme. Oh my God, meron tayong pasabok, meron po tayong makikidnap para sa ating Valentine's. Oh my God, first time ko po itong magkakaroon ng Valentine's. Francis, hinga. Although, sabihin na lang natin na meron kami kasama, merong extra. Pero okay lang, kasama kami yung aking katrabaho ng iba ko, si Boy Tisoy. Hi, Andy! Hey! Oh guys, hindi siya yung kadate ko first of all. No. Ay, teka lang muna. Tiniaki ko. Pasabog yan. So, ayun na si Andy. Hi, Andy!
Hey, sis!
So, si Andy, siya po si Boy Tisoy ng IFM. Kung nakikinig po kayo sa IFM. And ito po yung anak ng aming boss. Yeah. Tagapagmana. Ganun.
Yes.
Appear.
Up here.
Francis, ha? So, ngayon, guys, naghihintay na lang ako nung aking makakadate dahil sabi ko nga sa inyo, meron akong nabihag. Finally, meron po tayong lalaking nabihag. Sana patibukman lang kahit onte, diba? Ako. Oh my God, kinakabahan ako. Diyan na ba siya? So guys, habang wala pa, bibigyan ko lang kayo ng onting backgrounder ha. Foreigner siya. So, tsaga-tsaga lang tayo sa ating mga English. At natatanaw ko na siya. So, comment down kung kaya pa o hindi. Ito na siya. Oh my God. Tara na be! Oh my God guys. Ito na yung ating mga kasama.
Isang hakbang patungo sa'yo kahit di sigurado.
Hi, Mark! Magkalala ka naman. Ay, English pala. So, English. Sorry. It has to be in English. So, hi, Mark.
Hello, Francis.
Please introduce yourself to our...
Hi, guys. My name is Mark. My original name is Fetula, but I use the name of Mark here in the Philippines. I've been living here since 2014, and today I'm his
He's
Valentine.
gonna live with me.
Yeah, we're gonna eat together.
I'm gonna eat him. I mean, we're gonna eat together. We're gonna eat together.
It's gonna be a one-day date.
Yeah. So,
Valentine's Day.
pag dinamihan nyo yung panonood at dami nag-like, at pag binonggahan nyo yung pag-share nito, basta marami pang mangyayari pasabog after neto with Mark.
Oh yeah.
At nag-gets mo ba yun?
We're excited.
Nag-gets mo? Did you understand that?
Not really. I don't know what you said.
Guys, malapit ko na ito makuha talaga. Mabibenta at mabibili ko talaga to dahil wala siyang kaintindi sa mga sinasabi ko dito. Ano, I told them... What?
Go ahead.
I just told them that, it's gonna be exciting.
Exactly.
Diba?
It's gonna be fun. Fun tonight.
Ayan, so,
let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Bye, sir. May natikot na po ako. Tinan yung kuko ko, sir. Bye. Ayan, guys. Kasama rin namin si May. Pero hindi, May. Dito tayo. Ganyan, walang agawan. Ayan. Ayan. Sige, magkita tayo. Magkasya tayo sa camera. Ayan. So, Andy, do you have anything to say? Guys, si Andy, laki rin itong ibang bansa. So, Inglesera din to. So, alam mo yung challenge nito sa atin, damay-damay tayo sa pag-i-English nito. Kaya pa, May?
Nagugutom ako.
Woo! May nanalo na. Ayan, sorry, nasunog yung ilaw. Thank you for saving me. So, nakaka-link down below yung kanyang YouTube channel. And please comment down guys kung gusto nyo pang manood ng mas marami pa niyang videos para pagpatuloy niya yung pag-YouTube niya, di ba?
Translate, can you translate?
So, he can, guys.
Translate daw. Okay, this is my challenge.
So I'm encouraging you everyone to comment down. So,
Baliw na baliw ako sa'yo, aking sinta. Oh my, aking princess.
oh my God, hindi ako nakapag-react doon. Oh my God. He'll know if
He should continue the...
I can continue. So we'll know if Mark should continue his YouTube channel, right?
Exactly.
He should.
He should. Pahirap pa talaga ito guys, puro English na yung mga kasama na ako.
1 hour later.
Papakita na tayo dito. Tada, wala pa rin, puno pa din.
2 hours later.
Guys, di ba kamukha niya si Michael Scofield?
Sino ba yun? Sino ba?
Oh yeah, Michael Scofield from what's the show?
Prison Break.
Yeah.
Prison Break.
Yeah, kind of looks like him.
Can you speak Tagalog, Andy? Para sa audience natin.
Give me something to say.
Nahihirapan na sila.
Give me something to say.
Comment down. Guys, ang tagal ng elevator. Ito na, nagkakakilala na kami ngayon. At ano pala daw siya guys, dati siyang MMA, what was it? He used to be an MMA fighter. Guys, pahirapan talaga yung pag-i-English. So for sure, mapoprotektahan niya na ako. Kung hindi niya ako bubugbugin. Muna yung bubugbugin. Ang tagal ng elevator guys, mga 10 years na po kami dito. Tapos na ang Valentine's. Can you do a sample of your MMA?
You wanna spar?
What?
You wanna...
Sparring? Oh, I want. Where?
Not wrestling, but sparring.
A sparring session? Oh my God, I want that. Oh my God, dyan na elevator ulit. Tada! Puno pa din. Bye-bye! Happy Valentine's! Guys, we're here. Ready na po kami.
Excited.
Excited!
Na-speechless ako guys kasi kailangan mag-English. Ang hirap eh. Ang hirap mag-vlog ng English guys, alam nyo yan.
Tahimik na lang.
Mamaya guys, naku, pag kumain kami, kain lang talaga kami nito. Wala nang chika-chika. So, dito na kami guys sa...
Yeah!
Baho! Bakit hindi? Dapat kami tabi. Kailangan tabi kami.
It's okay.
Damot naman ni May. Dapat nga
Okay
magkatabi
lang,
kami
ito
para
naman.
magkaharap kami.
Siya.
Ang hirap nito mag-focus dahil kaharap mo na siya. Say hi na lang dyan.
Ang landi.
Sa iyong ngiti, ako'y nahuhuma.
Nakakalimutan ko pala yung mga sinasabi namin, hindi niya naiintindihan, right? You don't understand everything.
I don't understand anything. Literally nothing. Zero thing. One single word. Not really. So it's better if you guys translate whatever he's saying. Comment below so that I would be able to understand. So yeah.
Guys, nakuhin niyo sa comment na. Nakuhin niyo sa comment section. Basta guys, comment down dyan kung ano dapat gawin natin para matuluyan to sa atin.
I'll come back.
Alright. What?
Is the food that we're going to eat today? It's all free.
Why?
Provided by the manager of this restaurant.
Why?
For special for you guys.
Wait lang. Why?
Why? Is that your father?
No. It's not that.
Is that your dad?
Sugar daddy.
Sugar daddy.
No way, wait.
Being nice to these lovely people.
To what?
To lovely people here. You
We're
guys.
lovely people.
But we're shy.
Kasi he's my date today. This is why
Really?
he's gonna make it free.
That's it. Oh my God.
Chicken tayo later. Up.
Guys, ano ba to guys? Ma. Alam niyo naman tayo guys, marupok. Tapos minsan lang to. Oh my God. Kaya nga. Nahiya kami guys. So kailangan guys panoorin at i-share nyo to kasi nalibre kami dito ng bigla. Okay, damihan niyo yung... Naku, damihan mong views nito.
Yeah, i-share ko to. Iko-comment. Magko-comment ako.
Oh my God. First time natin merong date, tapos ang generous pa ng ating ka-date. Naku guys, aasawahin ko talaga to guys. Ay, sorry. Naiintindihan pala ni ate. Pero you don't understand naman, di ba? You don't?
I will translate.
No.
Anong sabi mo?
Wala.
Sabi mo.
Wala. Guys, tingnan mo ko. Ni-picturean niyo yung kamay ko para sa Instagram niya. Ko para sa Instagram niya. Comedy na lang to guys eh. Ito naman kasi he can't understand me, that's all. It's important. Diba? Ayun na yung pagkain natin.
Hummus. I think this is hummus.
Yeah, it's for the bread.
Hummus.
Hummus.
What's
Famous
this?
one.
What is this?
It's a bread. Balloon bread.
Bread.
What?
Balloon bread.
Balloon bread.
Balloon bread, yeah.
Balloon bread.
You have to dip in the
Yes.
Ayan. Ano to? How about this? Pakbet? Mukhang pakbet kasi. Okay.
Is this spicy?
No, I don't think so. This
What's
is made
this?
of yogurt and
Onions.
Onions? Cucumber.
cucumber, yeah, cucumber and
What's
yogurt.
happening?
Oh, it's moving.
It's moving.
What's happening?
There's a baby inside. Joke lang.
So ito guys, kailangan talaga bumawi tayo dito. Nanawagan ako sa inyo, sa lahat ng mga candy farm out there. Ililink down below ko kung gusto yung kumain dito sa aming kakainan. Ito yung Feta Mediterranean Restaurant. Ito yung pinakamasarap na Mediterranean restaurant sa buong Pilipinas. Oh my God, ang ganda naman likod ko. Mayroon pang pa-balloons. Tingnan nyo naman yung setup nila. Very Mediterranean talaga. Yung feeling kala mo, nasa Grecia ka talaga. Wow, oh my God. Tingin ko talaga matutupad talaga yung pagpunta ko ng Turkey this year.
Ano daw? You said 30 what?
Ha?
You will be 30 years old. Ano?
I think my trip to Turkey will gonna be real this year.
Alright. Hope so.
With you. Will you come with me? Will you bring me to your country?
Hold my hand. No, actually hold your hand. I'm gonna think about it.
My God, guys. Vagina explosion ko eh.
At nakita kita sa tagpuan ni Bathala. May kinang sa mata na di maintindihan. Tumingin kung saan sinubukan kong lumisan at tumigil ang mundo nung ako'y ituro mo. Siyang panalangin ko.
Oh my God, ate. Ay, wow. Happy Valentine's for us. And for me.
This is for you.
Oh my God.
This is for you.
Akin to. Oh my God, guys. At may pangpakik sila, guys.
Walang bongga naman.
Wait,
Pakik si Mayora.
Ayan. Si Madam naman eh. May pakik talaga si
Ako
Madam sa
natutulungan
akin. No?
kita.
Ako na, ayan na. Nagawa ko na eh.
Hindi, sa akin to eh.
Hindi, akin talaga to.
This
Sige,
is
akin
mine.
basta akin yun. No? Akin
Sige.
to. Akin talaga to.
Huh?
No, nothing.
Alright.
Nothing. We're not talking about you.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay.
Ang sarap ng mango yogurt. Ang sarap. Oo nga. Nasama ko talaga yung yogurt.
You have a boyfriend?
Ay, gusto talaga sila about love life sa harapan ko, no? Ano bang pinapatunayan?
I'm just assuming.
May ano pinapatunayan mo, May? Ba't mo siya kinakausap? Di ba, ang kay Pedro ay kay Pedro.
Sorry po.
February pa lang, wala pang panahon mo, May, ha? May.
May pa.
May. Sa May ka pa.
Ba't kailangan po?
Oh my God, guys. Ay, ano ba?
Sorry pa.
Ang wala ko para sa amin na yung pagkain nila, hindi sila apoy, oh.
Okay lang, hindi naman ako yung si Andy.
Ano na peke candy? Ayun, guys, may pagkain nila, nagliliyab po, oh. Ayan po, oh. Ayan, di umano, oh. Natagpuan po ng aming team yan.
Akala ko sa kami ng order. Tumayo na kami. Actually, dapat tumayo sila yung tumayo.
Oh my God, hindi tayo naubusan ng pagkain dito guys. Hindi pa nagsisimula pero ang dami na. This is a feast. So, what do you call babe in Turkish?
Beyti kebab.
What?
It's called beyti kebab.
Beyti
It's made of beef and wrapped with a bread. You need to dip to the yogurt here. You need to eat it. You need to put it in your mouth.
Guys, parang siya pala talaga yung gusto kong kainin. Feeling ko talaga okay lang sa akin mag-diet. Okay lang talaga ito. Ang likot ng ating stand, di ba?
Sarap.
Masarap. What's masarap? Ay, wait. I forgot.
Yung mango.
What's masarap?
Lezzetli.
What's delicious in Turkish?
Lezzetli.
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 You're lezzetli. You're lezzetli, gano'n. You're lezzetli. Oh my God, guys. Grabe, ang sarap. Tingnan nyo ha. Grabe yung usok. Ang sarap oh. Usok pa lang guys. Ang sarap.
Kumano si
Ako, Mark. Okay, sorry mag-English muna ulit tayo. Okay, Mark. You have to tell us about this food sa.
Well, this is special for the Valentine's Day. Like, they don't serve this.
Andy, let's exchange. Let's exchange seats.
Okay na yun.
I get blocks. I'm interviewing him. Or I'll sit here. You'll be there alone. Is it fine if I pick another chair? Nakuha yung tripod ko na naman. So how do you eat this? You put yung hummus.
Hummus.
You can put it in the
Exactly, you can do it as well. You need to
Sweet
put
with naman
hummus
talaga eh. So
to your bread. You need to open your mouth.
Akin ka na lang, iingatan ko ang puso mo.
Educational purpose. Did you eat this?
I haven't.
You should.
sarap niya.
Dip it.
Why? Gusto ko yun guys, minumura ako. Ako naman, subukan naman kita.
Use your hands, it's okay. Use your hands.
Ayaw.
Kuna lang.
Half.
Kuna lang.
Half.
Ang sarap. Ang sarap.
Sa kanya to.
Catch me, I'm falling for you. How can something so wrong feel so right all along?
Guys, share nyo talaga to para masundan pa
Mahaba
ng
yung
date
vlog
namin.
Mahaba yung vlog mo.
Sobrang harap ko ng vlog na to. 3 days tong vlog na to. Very good. Pero, yung sweet talaga. Dami yan nilagay sa table ko. Alam ko na yung tactic nito eh. Papakainin ako na nito ng marami para hindi na ako makapagsalita. Tapos mamaya, hindi na kayo makapaggala kasi busog na ako.
Yep.
Don't you understand?
Not really. There's also sauce. I suggest, recommend the white one.
Yes, masarap yung kulay puti. What? Reaction pa lang guys, masarap na.
What's this?
It's for you to find out.
Francis becoming a fam.
Francis, kumain ka na.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to eat na.
You have to enjoy the food.
I told you, I want the dominant. Go.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
Okay.
Stop that.
Okay. Guys, kain na daw ako. Guys, pakiramdam ko talaga, hindi pa rin tayo nakaka-move on sa 24 hours mag-jowa challenge. Actually, ito talaga yung bet na gusto kong gawin sa 24 hours mag-jowa challenge eh.
I like it.
Sa lalaki ginawa. Sabagay, palitan lang naman kami ng gawain. Gano'n naman, di ba? Right? Hindi yan manintindihan din, Lily. Who are you texting? Angelo.
This beef?
It's big.
Masarap.
Who is that?
That was one of my friend.
What friend?
Friend.
Boyfriend, girlfriend?
Friend. Mostly girlfriends because I posted our video on my Instagram. So
Are they jealous?
yeah, definitely.
Sorry, girls. Sorry, girls. Ayan.
Mediterranean pizza.
Hi. Hello. Oh, ba't si Andy na? Oh, what's me? Ba't si Andy na?
Kumain ka na? Tapos ka ba?
I'm done eating.
Did you like it?
Yes, I like.
The food?
Are you food? I mean,
Ay,
yes. Did you enjoy the food? I mean, did you enjoy the food?
I did. Yeah, it was great.
Did you enjoy me?
How about her? She's still eating. She's not yet done.
No, I'm asking you.
Sorry.
Did you enjoy me?
You mean the food?
I'm not your food. Later.
The Filipino balut. Baboy. Yeah, the food was okay. It was delicious.
Guys, kung gusto nyo matry yung mga kinain namin dito, punta lang kayo dito sa Feta, Annapolis Street. Malapit lang sa office namin. So, pwede kayong mag-meet and greet sa amin ni DJ Ira. O, di ba? Gusto nyo yun. Tapos, kumain na rin kayo dito. Ilibre nyo rin kami. Una naman.
What was that?
None.
What was that?
I said,
You said that you should go.
ano ba yun? Ita-translate pa. I invited them to come here. Meet and greet.
They're my translator. I'm paying them monthly
Oh, really?
to say how expensive you are to me. I have to rent two people
Translate.
Oh my God, nabusog ako guys. Sorry.
to translate everything you say.
Translates wrong.
Ha? Ayun na, I'm paying them also to translate the wrong translation. To give you the wrong
You
impression.
translate the translation.
Do you like it?
I love it. Love
Thank you for inviting us here. For bringing us here.
it. My pleasure.
And thank you for being my date.
Oh, it was a great day.
It was the best day.
It was my. I can't lie. I was about to lie. Didn't happen.
Dapat tagalogin ko ito parang hindi naman siya makaintindi.
So I have to think about my next Valentine for 2020.
Papalitan mo na agad ako? You're going to replace me now?
People change.
Abruptly?
People change.
Ano to ko?
We still have, ilang hours.
5 hours.
5 hours.
5 hours.
We're good to do
Anything.
good to hang out. Good to hang out. So,
Rent my condo.
condo.
Yes.
We'll think about it.
Just coffee, guys.
Yeah, sure. How many coffees? For 1 month?
Yeah, for
Oh, sure.
1 year.
Sige na nga guys, dito na natatapos mga be itong aming vlog dito sa aming Valentine's Day. Yay! So kung meron kang Instagram at Twitter, follow mo na ako sa @FrancisCandy. Follow also my friends. I'm
May... Paano ko?
Bernardo.
Bernardo. Ano ko yung name?
And Boy Tisoy on Facebook.
How about you, babe?
Me what? My Instagram?
What's your Instagram or Twitter?
I don't have a Twitter, but I have Instagram. It's MERTCAKMAZ.
Pinahirapan mo pa sila?
Matt Chakmas.
Okay guys, basta ay lalagay ko na lang dyan yung kanyang eyes.
Yeah, it's fun. You guys don't have to, but I would appreciate. I
Alright.
will follow back.
Wag na.
Wag na.
Wag ay naku, hindi ko na i-share, baka agawan nyo pa ako guys eh. So yan, dito lang ito sa ating vlog. Kung nag-enjoy ka, don't forget to like, share, at mag-subscribe sa aking channel dahil nag-upload ako ng video every Wednesday and Saturdays. And when you smile, don't say cheese, say big cheese. Happy Valentine's! Mama!
Same what he said.
Gulay-gulay.
Gulay-gulay.
Gulay-gulay. Bye-bye sa kanila. Gulay-gulay.
Wow! Coffee today. Why?
Turkish coffee.
This is Conafe.
Kanafe. Oh my God.
Bakit?
Dati guys, nakikita ko lang yan sa YouTube. Ngayon makakain ko na for the first time. Ang saya naman. Akin na nga tong cake na to.
That's mine.
That's mine.
That's mine. You told me earlier.
No,
that is
tomato
mine.
topic.
This,
Take out.
here's yours.
I can take him out eh. I can take him out. I can take him out. I can't.
Hindi. I can also.
Okay, you have to win him. Win him for me. No, you.
Oh, let's pick.
Wait.
1, 2, 3 ah.
Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Last na. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Ako nanalo. Ako mag-uwi. Sorry.
Okay.
Ako panalo. So mga be, ito naman. Bago ko siya tikman, at titikman muna namin itong kanilang kunefe. Kunefe.
Made of cheese.
Made of cheese. At saka ang sabi nila, sa mga napanood ko lang na vlog para daw itong pancake. So, let's try. Coffee. Oh my god, ang dami namin guys pagkain ng saya.
Nice. Wait.
Yeah. No, you eat it. You eat it.
No, I want it for you first.
Alright.
Me.
Got it.
Me.
Ano lasa?
Good.
Sarap.
Sarap, no?
Sarap. Sarap. Ito yung dapat kainin mo ng marami yan. Masarap eh. Hit.
Mainit nga eh.
Nagulat ako. Natawanan niya ako. So why you're laughing?
The reaction you gave was funny. Cheers.
Masa pa naman.
Right. So hot. Sobrang liit guys ng kanilang tasa. Oh. Ang init. Cheers. Ang init naman ito sobra. But I'm hotter than you.
It's super strong.
Talaga. Paglaban ba ako nito?
You taste it?
I haven't.
Really? It's not like other coffees.
Tapang. Sobrang
Taste it.
tapang.
Tapang?
Sobrang
I like
tapang.
strong coffee.
I want someone stronger. Nagbakil pa ako.
So
It's strong,
flirty.
man.
Ha?
So flirty.
Who?
Ikaw.
Why?
Ikaw.
I'm flirty.
Dates.
I also want someone who's strong, who will fight for me.
Okay.
Sabi, sinubuan niya ako, be.
Ha?
Sinubuan niya ako. Kumakain yung security guard. He stole my heart.
You under arrest for stealing songs.
First time niya raw guys makakita na kumain ng dessert gamit ng kamay. Sabi ko, we like to eat things. We like to eat with our hands. So ayun guys, after namin magkape, tinaob namin yung mga kape namin para malaman namin yung aming future. So sa kanila, ito yung mga panghuhula, keme, ganun. So ito kay Mark, kay Ashkev.
Since this is my coffee,
In English
I'm
na,
not
guys.
allowed to read my future,
Okay.
but they will.
Alright, I'll read your future. So, alam mo, puro, ang daming couple. Yeah, so ito, meron ditong couple. Like, look at this. It's like a wedding.
Okay. Yeah, I see that.
Right?
What else?
This one also. Basta yun, merong family. Ito, may family na to. Ayan. Kung hindi nyo nakita, mag-adjust kayo. Bahala kayo. Ito, ayan. Babae at lalaki. So, baka maging transgender ako.
I'm gonna read yours.
May destroyer. Ayan, nakita nyo, meron siyang hawak na axe. He's holding an axe to destroy the family. The relationship.
Faster.
Matatapon.
Ito to, talaga.
Faster, yeah.
Mabilis.
Yeah.
Just wait for it to get soft.
O nga pala, bago matapos tong vlog, shoutout muna sa mga kababayan natin dyan na nasa ibang bansa. Kasi sinabi sa akin ni Mama na batiin ko daw kayo. So, natutuwa siya and very thankful siya sa lahat ng mga nanonood, nag-comment mula sa iba't ibang bansa, sa mga nasa Taiwan, nasa Italy, nasa Spain, nasa Amerika, nasa lahat ng panig ng mundo. Gusto mo yun? Wawawi, di ba?
I can